Hi art along friends, we are drawing pumpkins.
Yeah, but not just any pumpkins, pop-up pumpkins.
That's right. So all you need is paper and drawing supplies, and let's begin.
Yay!
Okay, so get your paper, fold it in half, make sure the corners meet, make the crease in the middle, and then bring the top flap up halfway and fold that to the corners too. And this is where we're gonna draw our pumpkin, and when the pumpkin pops up, it's gonna open up and we're gonna have a secret message inside, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna use our black markers for the pumpkin outline. Okay, so I like to start with the stem just to make sure I know where the middle is. So for the stem, I'm going to draw a curved line towards the side. It's kind of like a frowny. Yep, and then a shorter one next to it. And this is all towards the middle of my page. And then between the first curved line and the second curved line, I'm going to draw a little slim oval. That means a thin oval to connect those. Great job! And then on the bottom of each of my curves, I'm going to extend it outwards, just a little bit curved outwards. And from the edges, the ends of that curve, I'm going to draw more curves, kind of like a spider web almost, connected. And I fit 1, 2, 3, 4, but it's up to you however many you want to fit. Yeah, and that's the stem. And now we're gonna draw the big round pumpkin. So I'm gonna start from the left side here. I'm gonna bring a nice curved line up and come all the way down. It's like a big C. And I like to put wavy curves on the bottom because pumpkins have ridges, and make it a little big. And then now I'm gonna connect the end of my wavy line with another big C curve, backward C curve, I guess, from the other side of the stem. Great job! And then you know how pumpkins have ridges?
Mm-hmm.
Like this one, it has these ridges. So we're going to draw that by just drawing a few lines, curved lines, from the top to the bottom. Just a few, I might fit 4. And then it's gonna face each other. So these curves face this way and these curves face that way, right? Good, that's it, that's our pumpkin. Ooh, how simple is that? Here's the trick now. You open it up. Now we're supposed to extend our pumpkins down a little bit below the fold that we created so that it looks like the pumpkin opened up. So I'm going to bring these lines down just a little bit, maybe the size of my fingernail or half of my fingernail, just a little. And then for the outside edge, I'm going to connect it to the other outside one, but I'm gonna make another set of wavy lines and put some wavy lines, big wave curves, and then bring it back up. And this is my pumpkin lid as it popped open. Yep. And then for the bottom ones, I'm gonna bring these up to just a little bit, maybe the size of my nail again, or half of my nail, and then connect the outside ones again with more waves. That's it, let's test it out. So fold it, and it's a normal pumpkin, and pop! Now we're going to make a simple banner inside and put a secret message. So super simple, just a straight line connecting from the bottom pumpkin half to the top pumpkin half, because it's kind of like a scroll. And then you can decide on your own secret message, or you can copy ours, and it's going to be Happy Thanksgiving! Yeah, so if you need help spelling it, you can watch me write it. For Mia, it's Happy, Thanksgiving. That's a long word. THAN K-S, Thanksgiving. G-I-V-I-N-G. That's it! Now we get to decorate it!
Yay!
How are you gonna decorate yours?
I'm gonna do a rainbow in the background. And then some gold for a little glitter.
Oh, very nice. I'm gonna make some fall leaves. So maybe I'll draw a few leaves with my black marker before I start coloring. What do you like to do on Thanksgiving?
Eat turkey with my family. Or just eat together. Play.
Yeah, eat lots of stuff, I guess. Good food.
Yep.
Yeah, it's a delicious holiday if you ask me. I'm drawing a pie in mine too.
Ooh. I'm doing a rainbow pumpkin.
Ooh, fun. I like eating things on Thanksgiving too, but I also like it because lots of friends and family gather together.
Yeah, I like that too.
I think this year we should play a whole bunch of board games when we meet.
Yeah, like Monopoly.
Yeah, you're into a new game, Monopoly.
Yeah.
What do you like about Monopoly?
Money.
Is it fun when you earn money from it?
Yes. I won by a lot against you.
Yeah, you made me mortgage everything and took all my cash. I even had to give you my get out of jail card.
Yeah.
I don't have enough money.
Monopoly is super fun. Isn't coloring super fun?
I love coloring. It's when you can be really creative.
Yep.
That's why for yours and mine, it's so different. Yeah, I tried to be more normal pumpkin color, I guess. And then for you, you wanted to do a fun rainbow colored one, which is pretty cool. One of my favorite things about Thanksgiving is also that Christmas is close.
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Yeah? I think me too. Have you had pumpkin before?
No, I don't think so.
Have you eaten a pumpkin pie?
I don't think so.
So you're telling me you don't know what a pumpkin tastes like?
No.
What do you think it tastes like?
Pumpkin.
What does a pumpkin taste like?
Tastes like a pumpkin.
Like orange? It tastes orange?
Yeah, it tastes orange.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
Lots of people like pumpkin pie, pumpkin spice lattes.
Like you.
Yeah, not really.
Really?
Yeah. Lots of people like pumpkin seeds.
Do you like pumpkin seeds?
I like pumpkin seeds. I think we've had this conversation before, but what's your favorite pie?
Ice cream.
Ice cream pie? That's a really good one. I think I like triple berry pie. But remember last year you said you didn't like pie?
Oh yeah.
And then I told you pizzas are also pies?
Yeah.
Or was it last year?
I don't know.
Might have been the beginning. For Pie Day.
Oh yeah.
Okay, you ready to test out our pop-up?
Yep.
Okay. Ooh, a normal pumpkin.
Ooh,
Because we learned how to draw a pumpkin.
Huh.
But wait a minute. Pop!
Happy Thanksgiving!
This is cool.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah, hopefully art along friends, you had fun with us and come join us next time as we do more art.
Bye.
See you next time.